challenging. The snow is packing, and of course now we're getting sleet, so the roads are pretty slippery. We did start off with a salt application, and then we plowed off most of it, and now we've stopped plowing because the sleet went down. Yeah, I think today, is another day. If you don't need to be out there, stay off the roads. If you do have to travel, you need to increase your following distance on vehicles. When you get to intersections, it's packed snow and slippery, so you need to check your brakes and give yourself plenty of distance to stop, and reduce your speed overall. If you reduce your speed, then people will be okay. Well, it seems like this winter started off a little bit slow. Last year we had snow in November, and this year we didn't. But now that we started getting snow, we've gotten an awful lot of it, and also the temperatures have been a lot colder. The one thing that has helped us is the storms have been spread out enough. If you get multiple storms right back to back, for like say 3 days in a row, then it's very difficult. But these storms have allowed the drivers to rest up in between events, so it's worked out okay for us.